What up folks, in this video we are going to learn how to scrap or extract information from website or internet. So we will of course use our Python language for doing that. First I'm going to promote myself real quick. So this is the website wisencoder.com where I upload all the tutorials of my YouTube channel, and also I have a dev blog section you can see here, and where I write regularly. So let's go back to the business. We are going to actually scrap or extract information from this first index page, and we will first open the resource of the web page index page, and you will see that there are some h1 tag here, around like 3 h1 tag, and we will actually extract this h1 tag inside our program. So to do this, first we will actually open the command prompt, and we will actually install the library that we need. So I'm gonna say pip install and request. So request is a library. I'm gonna explain it first. Request is a library which is responsible for making HTTP request over the internet. So we will use it inside our Python program, and we are gonna install another library called BS4. So BS4 is the library which is responsible for analyzing the data inside our Python program. This is actually the short form. It is called BeautifulSoup4. So don't worry about this, we are going to see it inside the program, and we are going to go to the code editor, which is here, and we will actually import the request, and we will import the BeautifulSoup class also. And right now we are gonna actually create the function crawl words, and we will give a parameter which is this one. And right now we want to actually get all the information inside the first page. To get this, we are gonna say resource equals, right now we will use the request library, request.get, and inside the get method or function, or it's a method, get URL, and we are gonna say text. So it will actually get all the information and convert into text. Okay, so this is the resource we are getting right now. So we want to actually make it ready for usable by BeautifulSoup. To do this, we are going to say soup resource equals BeautifulSoup, and inside the first parameter we are gonna say resource, which we get from here, and inside the second parameter we are going to give html.parser. So this one we are getting from here, which is like a raw resource, and this HTML parser is the one which is telling that okay, this is HTML parser. And yep, so we are actually storing the beautified resource or souped resource inside this variable. We can actually print this one, souped resource, and if we right now we want to actually call the function to see that if it is working or not. To do this, we are gonna say https www.wisencoder.com, and also I'm gonna give a R here, so we don't want to actually escape any backslash here, so that's why we are using R, which is raw. And if we run our program, which is python crawler.py, you can see that all the HTML information from the index page is right now inside our terminal. I'll clean this up. We want to actually extract the information which are with h1 tag, right? So to do this, we are gonna say all h1 equals souped resource dot find all, and I'm gonna inside the parameter I'm gonna say h1, and right now we are going to print out all h1, and if we run now, you can see that it's only retrieving the information which which are with h1 tag, and all of this information or all of these h1 tags are inside a list. You can see the square bracket here. Okay, let's clean this up and go to the editor. Right now what we want to do is we want to actually make all of these. Okay, let's go back first and run again. Okay, you can see that here the h1 tag and the information inside there. We want to actually ignore all of these tags. We don't want this tag, we only want the information inside the tags. So to do this, we are going to first say for each result in all h1, we are gonna say print. Okay, no, we are not gonna say anything. We are gonna say each result dot str equals each result dot string. So what is going to happen over here is that this loop will actually print out all the h1 tag individually, and while for an individual h1 tag, this line will actually convert the h1 tag into a string format, and it will actually skip all the tags. So if we run now, you can see, so we are printing out this variable, and if we go back and run now, you can see that only the information inside the h1 tag are being printed out. This is awesome, right? So right now we want to do something here. We want to actually split all those words into a singular mode or single mode. To do this, we are going to say, we will first remove this line, and we are going to say word underscore results equals is result dot str dot. We want to actually make the text into lowercase as well, so we will say lower function, and we will also call the split method. And what this line will do is, this line will actually simply make the words into lowercase. Also it will split the words and help us to read them individually. So we will right now print out the word result, and if we go back and run the program now, you can see that all of the words are splitted into singular mode and listed into a list. Okay, that's all about this tutorial. If you guys like it, subscribe, thumbs up. See you into the next tutorial.